I just wanted to share what I found out through years of stumbling and falling. Things don't work out. That's natural in the process of trying to move ahead. Not everything's rosy and clear. The pathway is not always straight, but I found out what they call ruthless optimization. You could do that with your brain and your work processes. There's something that goes along with mental energy. What I find out is if you just what they call being naive and just going and taking action. When you actively push yourself and go and go and go, you'll notice that you're going to make a lot of mistakes no matter what. So don't be afraid of making mistakes, because what happens is when people notice that, then they draw towards you and they go, oh, this guy's ready to do something. And then throw all these opportunities at you, and you have to learn how to say no. Pick and choose that, because your mental energy will be drained. And protect that mental energy. If things aren't going your way, you learn how to shift your mind, keep shifting the mind. It's like a mental toughness, building a willpower, and pure intelligence doesn't always get you there. You have to learn how to solve problems no matter what. So the ruthless optimization, meaning if you're going to do one task, but just keep going and going and going at that, and you keep getting better at it. And then say another day, you can keep going with another thing and going go, 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 go. And find a way when you just keep getting better at certain things, and then you make discoveries when you make mistakes. So people are willing to point out things. If they criticize certain things, you can just change it, you know. Though I don't take it all to heart. Not everybody really knows what they're talking about. People say, oh, people will go like, I know everything, and find out, oh, well, your confidence skyrockets, and then it crashes down, and then it will slowly climb back up, and then at the end you go, oh, it is complicated. So don't let arrogant people or know-it-alls really get in your way. You find out that mental toughness really prevails in most cases, so don't let that stop you.